Hey guys, my name's Jesse at J-Game, and welcome back, One Piece fans. Today we're going to be talking about the cast of the live-action One Piece show, and today Inaki Godoy, Emily Rudd, Mackenyu, Jacob, and Taz all unboxed the new LEGO One Piece set that's going to be coming out. There's around 5 sets, and they come out August 1st. You guys can go pre-order right now, but I'm going to let you guys see the cast of One Piece, open the One Piece set, and look at all the amazing scenes from Season 1. We potentially could be getting a Season 2 LEGO set as well in the future if these do well. So I'm hoping they will, and we'll be doing a unboxing and going to a LEGO store on August 1st, probably live streaming it. So make sure you leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you never miss out on a video, and enjoy all these videos from the cast of One Piece. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next One Piece video. Peace out!
This is Arlong Park. Wow, yes. The shooting gallery. Oh, what a little cannon. Ah! It's me and Chew in the woods. And they even have the ketchup. Ketchup saved my life. My bad. But that's what you get, Arlong! That's what you get!
Too bad, little angel. Just as I was starting to have some fun.
Hey, neck flaps. You haven't even tried my special sauce. Silly boy. Bah! He exploded! The great Captain Usopp fails another notorious villain.
We have Luffy here with arms long enough for the best group hug ever. We've got Usopp with his slingshot. We've got Arlong next to me. Why would you guys put him next to me? And we got a little Denden Mushi. Do you want to see the most heinous part of this? On the inside, they were so kind as to include the chains that Nami is locked up with. Very sweet. Thank you, Lego. Just kidding. Actually, genuinely, this is really cool. I have been informed that there is one feature about this that will make me very, very happy.
Oh my god. Ah, he's got green hair! They're so cool. I'm Luffy now. The kitchen. We've got the couch that I'm on when I'm in this room. Cool. You got the designs. Wow. Looks exactly like the one in the live action one. I wish I had these when I was little. I want to play with these. That's what I feel right now.
Alright, let's see what's up. Oh my god! It's a One Piece Lego set? It's live action inspired? Okay, here we have Gold Roger's wanted poster, which I love. We have Shanks right here. We have Luffy right here with his devil fruit. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, wow. Luffy, be good. Wow, triple flip. Boom. Shanks, what are you doing? Out of the way, Shanks. Oh, wow. Look at all the detail in here. Look at, they got the face, they got the flag. Oh my god, they even got like the drinks and stuff. The cannon is here. Oh my god, what is he holding? Oh my god, he's holding my wanted poster. Oh, well, estoy en la portada. This is incredible. I love this. This is actually how it looks. Like every time I go to set and we shoot here on the Going Merry, this is what it is. Like they got everything spot on. This is like insane. I think that little Inaki Jr., if he knew that he was gonna be in a Lego set somehow one day, he would cry tears of joy. Like I'm crying inside right now. This is awesome, guys. This is such a dream come true.
This is the front of the BRTA. This is Zoro and Mihawk fighting. Then if I turn it around, we have the fish mouth bar area. We have the top floors where the special guests sit and eat. We have the bottom floors. Sanji's just cooked something. Comes up, all happy, and then Sanji goes, "It's a super fancy egg." Well, it's the worst super fancy egg I've ever seen in my... And then he leaves. Sanji goes, "Ah!" And that's the end of the story.